everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Philine, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. And if this is the channel that you like to watch, I do unboxing, hauls, and reviews, and also sell a lot. Okay, so since I said it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes, it is an art. In today's video, all right, we're going to do unboxing. So we're gonna unbox this. This is probably for the long time I didn't, probably the first time for this year. So yeah, so get my receipt, put it down here, and the card says the real. So the real is I sell my product there as well before, and I also buy from them, and so far I have a good experience. And ta-da! Can you guess? I'm gonna like ta-da! Hang on. There. So comes with this dust bag. So as you can see, tan 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 tan, my goodness, ta-da! It is a Louis Vuitton. I don't know what the name is. I don't know. This is the first time that I bought something like this in the real this kind of Louis Vuitton. Look at that. So this is the real disclaimer. This is not a sponsored video, but this is the real have known for their pre-love, or they also have brand new fashion or luxury fashion design. So anyway, why I'm nervous, I don't know why. So anyway, so this is really nice. It's not too, it's like it's not too small and it's not too big. It is a medium size, and I don't even know what do you call this. Guys, I have to research again, or I have to look at, oh, let me see. This is a Louis Vuitton monogram Vernet Bria MM. Yes, there you go. So it's very clean. So very clean. So the one thing that I can say about the picture of the real, it's because they don't really specifically take a lot of photos for the inside or for the corners and whatnot. But this one, I just got lucky that it has a very good, it's very good condition. Also, of course, these feet have scratches already, of course, because this is a pre-love, and I really like it because look, they are the vachetta. Oh, look at this. Okay, I am sorry, I'm not expert in unboxing these luxury things, so maybe because, and I am not so familiar with a lot of luxury, I mean, yeah. So far this one can be worn a shoulder or a handbag. So there you have it. So I got this for a good deal. I think their prices there are good, but sometimes when they're new arrivals, they have really a little bit expensive for some reason. And so far we're gonna check this one, we're gonna scrutinize, and yeah, So far so good. And it doesn't stink. So that's really important that it doesn't smells, because when it does, you won't like it. So, and there you go. You can see the code, date code here in the inside the pocket. And yeah, so I am going, even though they said they authenticate this product or item, I still want this to be re-authenticated because I'm a reseller, so I want to make sure that my buyers are buying with confidence, that they're buying a genuine product or authentic product. Yay! So far, so good. So this is a Bria MM with this. Yay! Thank you, everyone. And don't forget, I have a Mercari down below. I will be selling this as well. And I also have a lot of bags, wallets, and jewelries, and what else? Shoes. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.